is in New York. Alright, this is a typical Friday night at Commodore Perry Field. Alright, jockeying for spaces. Another New York. Alright, this guy's gonna get the space. I don't get a space. Okay, as we roll down the parking here, New York. Alright, New York. New York. Alright, New York. New York. Alright, there's no place to park down there. Alright, another New York plate. Another New York plate. This guy just decided to put his car right there, park illegally, right, because he can't find a space. Alright, this is not acceptable. It's not fair to the residents who live here. And there's Texas, New York, alright, no place to park. Alright, this one, back at him in New York. Another New York, another New York.